Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Today we're doing a video on I'm going to buy tires at Costco. That's what this video is all about. And is it worth it? Well, here are my tires here. You can see here, these are the little warning tabs that your tire has on them. And what happens as it gets really low, you'll start hearing a humming noise. And you'll say, what is that humming noise? That's like a warning bar, a bar let you know that the tires need to be changed. And these tires are very low. Got 28,000 miles on this car. Most tires last for brand new cars around 30,000 miles if you're lucky. And if you're really, really lucky, maybe 40, but this is 30,000 because I really didn't rotate them like I should have. But it is what it is. So I'm going to order new tires at Costco. We're going to go through the process and see how it looks. Let's go and let's continue. So I was shopping on Costco and I went online and I saw they had a sale, $80 off, I believe, on a set of 4 tires. So I was looking at Michelin. So 2 different brands that I'm looking at, 2 different styles. The Michelin Defender 2 or the Michelin Premier LTX. Now, they both have different characteristics and different ideas behind each one. One has a 60,000 mile warranty. Now, why is there a difference? Well, some tires are made tougher, some tires are made harder. It all depends on the ride, performance, and also the what you're looking for a tire. So I went online and I did a little bit of research. And of course, I used ChatGPT to come up with some variations and different options between the 2 different tires. This is the versus the Michelin Defender 2 and the Michelin Premier LTX. So the difference is really the warranty is 80,000 miles versus 60,000 miles. You can see all the difference between them, both sides, so you can see the comparison. The main thing I was really concerned about was really the better ride. So you get a better ride, you get better weather, gripping with rain and snow and things like that. Those are super important. The grip is important. It was a little bit more money, but I think it's a better quality tire all around performance. As you can see here, look at the 80,000 miles. I wouldn't get caught up on the extra mileage. I was really concerned more about the handling and the ride, for me anyway. And that was just the reason why I chose this tire. That's pretty much. So let's finish up. Now, if you're not familiar with Costco, they do sell rims, they sell batteries, and they sell tires. That's what they mainly do. So when you go into a Costco, definitely check it out. They have some fantastic prices. When they have a sale, that's when you kind of pounce on it. That's the best way to do it. Here are some of the rims. I just want to give you some of the footage. In my local Costco, they have some really cool rims that you can purchase. Everything has to be special ordered, of course, and you don't have to keep them. You can always return them if you don't put them on the car. So if, say, you changed your mind, you don't have to worry. Now, one of the main reasons why I like Costco, because of all this, you get a 5-year road hazard warranty included, free rotations, free balancing, free inflation checks. They'll check your tires, free flat repairs, and nitrogen tire refills or tire nitrogen when they put your car when they put the air in, which is really cool. Again, great service. They do you can make an appointment. You have to pay for them up front. But the best deal is really when you get the $80 off for a set of 4. They always have sales in different brands all the time. So check Costco often. And this deal here was the $80 off of the 4. So I got 4 brand new tires with everything I just said to you, all included everything. Like $940, all 4 tires with everything included. So I'm going to give you a full update and a full review on these tires. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Watch the channel. I'm going to give you a complete review on how the installation went, how everything went, and also give you my opinion, and we'll take a look at the tires together, and we'll finish up the video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget, again, to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy these type of videos. Check out all my Costco videos on this channel. I have a ton of videos about Costco, and I do like what they do. All right, guys, appreciate it as always, and I'll see you when I get the tires installed. Okay, guys, just came back from Costco a couple days ago. I've been driving the car around a little bit, and I want to show you the tires, how they look on the car. They look really good. They did a great job installing them. Basically, my appointment was at 3 o'clock, and I was out by 3:20, 3:30 max. But they're beautiful looking tires. Let me show you the front. That way you can see what I'm talking about, how nice they are. Nice deep threads. Really grip, super quiet when I'm driving them, but the experience was excellent. You can see how they have the channels in the tires here. That's for the water wicking. You can see here all across, nice thick threads. Like I said, super soft, and you can feel these tires a little bit softer, and that's just because the ride is much softer. I like that quite a bit. Again, look at the sides, how they look on the car. I have them black walls. This is a little make them black. I like the way they look like this with the chrome. And definitely going to recommend these nice quality tires. Again, I drove them for about 100 miles. Went on a long trip yesterday, and they're just really nice and comfortable, and they worked really well. You can just see how beautiful the treads are, and very well balanced. No issues with shaking. Like I said, I was in and out in 40 minutes, 35 minutes tops. I was shopping at Costco. Before I knew it, I had a phone call, and the tires were ready. So go ahead, pick them up. Get a great deal. much better experience than some of the other stores, because they don't they're not trying to sell you alignments and all kinds of stuff. It comes with all the warranties. Like I said, it comes fully, just like you see here. They're actually beautiful, and they ride really, really nice. And I want to recommend these 1,000%. So check out your local Costco for tires, batteries, and also rims. All right, guys, appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this quick review. Like I said, they really, really work well. No problems whatsoever, and I'm very, very happy. All right, guys, till the next review, thanks for watching.